What is self-control?
SelfControl is a free app for Mac that helps you block distracting websites. It's popular among students and professionals who want to stay focused by restricting access to sites like social media or news. Once you start a block session, the chosen sites can't be accessed, even if you restart your computer or delete the app during the session.
Downloading and installing self-control.
To get started, visit the official SelfControl website and download the latest version of the app. Open the downloaded file, then drag the SelfControl icon into your Applications folder. Once installed, launch the app from your Applications folder. No complex setup is needed. Installation is quick and safe for most versions of macOS.
Setting up your block list.
Open SelfControl and look for the blacklist, where you'll add the domains you want to block. Click Edit Blacklist, then type in website addresses such as facebook.com or twitter.com. You can block specific sites or, if needed, entire domains. Double-check the list to make sure you've included all the sites that commonly distract you.
Starting a blocking session.
Use the slider or input box on the main screen to set how long you want sites blocked, anywhere from 15 minutes to 24 hours. Once you're ready, click Start. Enter your max password when prompted. Your chosen websites will now be inaccessible for the set duration, and you cannot undo the session early, so choose your timing carefully.
Tips for using self-control effectively.
Make your sessions to match your focus periods, such as study hours or work tasks. Add new distracting sites to your blacklist when you discover them. Combine self-control with other productivity methods like the Pomodoro technique for best results. Remember, it's a tool that supports your willpower, not a replacement for good habits.
Troubleshooting and safety notes.
If a blocked site is still accessible, double-check the domain spelling or try restarting your browser. If you ever lose access to important websites, you'll have to wait until the session ends, so double-check your blacklist. SelfControl does not access your personal data and is open source. For more help, consult the official documentation or community forums.